Controller drift can be frustrating while playing Minecraft, but calibrating your controller can help resolve this issue. Follow these steps to calibrate your controller effectively. Step 1. Access controller settings. Open your gaming console or PC and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the section dedicated to controllers or devices, where you can find options to adjust controller settings. Step 2. Test the controller. Before making any adjustments, test your controller to confirm the drift issue. Move the joystick in different directions and observe if the character or camera moves without input. This will help you understand the extent of the drift. Step 3. Calibrate the controller. Find the calibration option in the controller settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate your controller. This usually involves moving the joystick in a circular motion and pressing buttons as prompted to reset the controller sensitivity and dead zones. Step 4. Adjust dead zones. After calibration, you may need to manually adjust the dead zones for your controller. Increase the dead zone settings slightly to prevent minor joystick movements from affecting gameplay. Test the adjustments in Minecraft to see if the drift has improved. Step 5. Save settings and test in-game. Once you are satisfied with the calibration and dead zone adjustments, save your settings. Launch Minecraft and test the controller in-game to ensure that the drift has been resolved. If necessary, repeat the calibration process for further adjustments. By following these steps, you should be able to effectively calibrate your controller and reduce drift while playing Minecraft. Enjoy your gaming experience.